this offense going.
Blitz. Giants pick it up, and there goes Odell Beckham out at the 41. And he's working on Josh Norman. And those two have a little moment on the sideline, a gain of 12 and a first down.
Well, an excellent job by Rashad Jennings. He's able to come up and block Mason Foster in the hole, and you see the man coverage by Josh Norman, and you allow Odell Beckham to just run the shallow crossing route. It's hard to keep pace with him.
Pass is caught. There's Beckham. And that'll be a flag on Norman, and here we go again. It's Norman against Beckham, round 3. And this time, the flag's on Norman.
Well, Weston Richburg, he's the guy that kind of running right between him and the right guard, John Jerry, and there's those two going at it again. The officials talked to them before the game began, and looking at it, they're close to 200 yards here in this first half. It's been a good performance.
Another wide open receiver, and it's Beckham. And Norman gives him the tug out of bounds, a gain of 8, a first down, and Norman right in his face to start the play. Hand off to Perkins. Nacho can't bring him down until he gets to the 45, and a flag is down.
They threw the flag this time. It might be on Josh Norman, but that's where the flag was thrown. They go after each other again. You can see Norman come in kind of after this play here, right there. The initial contact was fine. It was that second shot by Norman.
Beckham is keeping his calm here, and he's getting the better